What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you these Lithium CR2016 3-volt batteries that I got to be able to replace the one here in my key fob for my car. So basically this just pops off and the battery's in there. So obviously this is the package it comes in, and we'll go ahead and open these up and show them to you. To open these up, it looks like there's this little square around here that you'll want to like cut out or use your finger. So right there, you can see I just used my finger. I have my X-Acto knife because I thought I was gonna have to use that, but this is a pretty small battery if you've never used one of these. But there's where it says the type right there, lithium cell. Then there's the other side. So I got my key fob out of here, or I got my key fob apart. Got the old battery out of it, and then we're gonna put this new battery in here. So basically it just slides in like this, and this is a thinner battery, so make sure you use the right size for, you know, whatever thing you're replacing it in, because I did try to use a different battery and it did not work once you put it all back together. Just wanted to show it to you before I put it all back together.